The UK Roofing Awards are all about celebrating our industry at its best, and that is why Radmat are delighted to be supporting the awards again. On behalf of everyone at Radmat, I want to congratulate the well-deserved winners of the 2020 NFRC UK Roofing Awards.
Part of NFRC's mission statement is to promote roofing as a skilled profession within the wider construction industry. The Young Roofer of the Year award is given to a roofer or an apprentice in recognition of their hard work and contribution to the roofing sector. Mo Farran from SPV Group has been a standout student throughout his training and continues to impress his employer.
Winning the award, I was delighted, I was over the moon. And yeah, because I didn't know I was nominated for the award, so it come to me as a pleasant surprise. To someone like me, it means a lot because it's some sort of motivation. It motivates you. It shows that you're appreciated at work and that you're doing a good job on site.
As we know, roofing can be a dangerous business. The NFRC's Individual Health and Safety Award recognises an individual who has gone above and beyond. Michelle Hoddle from Contour Roofing has raised the bar for both mental and physical health and safety and is the deserved winner of the 2020 Individual Award. Andy Hares from Darwin Roofing is our 2020 local hero, recognising the amazing support he provided a homeowner during the first lockdown. Very well done, Andy.
UK National Warranties sponsors the UK Roofing Awards because we feel it's the #1 roofing awards in the UK. We see this as a vehicle for contractors to showcase their workmanship and high quality standards within the roofing sector.
As a major supplier to the roofing industry, Cromar congratulate all of the winners of the 2020 UK Roofing Awards and are pleased to be associated and fully support the NFRC.
On behalf of Penrose Roofing 214 Limited, it is a pleasure to accept this award for our entry into the National Roofing Competition for this roof at Hillsborough Castle, Northern Ireland. It's a great pleasure to receive this on behalf of all my staff and apprentices who contributed it and took part to this beautiful example of slating. It was our 4th attempt in 12 years, 3 runners-up, and finally we won something.
Cooper Pizarras are proud to be sponsors of the Roof Slate category at such a prestigious event that honours some of the best talent within the roofing industry. Congratulations to Penrose Roofing, who have done a fantastic job with the Hillsborough Castle Lower Visitors Centre.
Richard Soane Roofing are winners of the 2020 Roof Tiling Award sponsored by Marley. This attractive sandstone-built house, dating back to Victorian times, required the roof and vertical tile hangings to be replaced following years of ongoing repairs.
Winning this award is massive for a company like us. We've been trading now for about 33 years, and it's recognition for all our hard work and desire to produce a high standard which we believe our clients deserve.
Marley are proud to sponsor the NFRC UK Roofing Awards to inspire new roofing contractors to constantly strive to improve the UK roofing standards.
As the Domus Bursar, I'm responsible for the fabric of the buildings. In 2012 we had the roof surveyed and we were hoping that we'd get about another 25 years out of the roof, and the architects at the time told us we'd be lucky to get 5 years. Serious problems with ventilation, and they felt that after that there was a great danger the roof would collapse.
So winning the Heritage Awards means such a lot to a business like ours. We're just so proud to win this. It's incredible. It recognises the skill of the craftsmen we employ. It recognises the art of Collie Western slating, and it also recognises the business going forward. This just means so much.
I'm Ian McPherson, the Commercial Director for Facro GB, and we're the proud sponsor of the NFRC's Green Award for 2020. Chris, Very many congratulations on a job very well done.
Thank you, Ian, and I'm delighted to receive this on behalf of all the contractors, suppliers, subcontractors and the wider team that made this project so special. So well done to all of them. So this is one of London's largest accessible free rooftops that you can visit at any time when the store is open, and you're encouraged to visit the store and the rooftop because it just really has the most spectacular views across London. Plus it offers huge benefits to wildlife and biodiversity, and it's just a great place to go and visit.
On behalf of everyone at AOT UK, I'm delighted to present the 2020 NFRC Roof Sheeting and Cladding Award to Aaron Moore of the Kingsley Group. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for receiving this award on behalf of the Kingsley Group. It's nice to be recognised by the NFRC with a culmination of many of the divisions of Kingsley Group coming together, with the industrial part doing the roof, the flat roofing team and the hard metals team, with lots of help from ECE Architects and Paul Cousins at SIG and Steve Chapman at Elzinc. So thank you very much.
On behalf of everyone at AOT, I'd like to present Longworth Building Services with the 2020 UK Rain Screen Award for the completion of this magnificent project behind us. Congratulations and well done.
Thank you. I'd like to say I'm very honoured to receive this award on behalf of Longworth Building Services for completing the works on the Paradise Street student accommodation project. I'm very proud to say it was delivered on time, to budget and to the highest quality.
Unfortunately, during some works we had taken place 3-4 years ago, external works to the fabric of the building, a roofer contractor decided to come out one morning with a blowtorch to heat up the ice on the asphalt, and naked flames went underneath the copper and started to cook 100-year-old timber that was underneath the existing copper at the time. And then we had no dome, basically. That's how it sort of started, really. That was the beginning of it.
Congratulations on the award for the roof at Ludgate House.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it, Paul. I'd like to accept this award on behalf of FMJ, and I would like to thank Paul Flanagan and Interclass for awarding us the project here at Ludgate House. I'd also like to thank the NFRC for putting together such a fantastic national award for all us roofers to compete against each other, and it's a real honour for FMJ to win this. To the team at FMJ that made this all possible, to Chris Johnson, our craftsman of 70 odd years of age, he's still working fine, and to Phil and Ed and all the other lads that were involved in it. Thank you very much, appreciate it.
There's a constant rolling programme of repair required by buildings of this size and this age. It never stops. It's essential that that work is carried out with skill and with sensitivity, and so it's really important to source the right contractor for the job with the right sort of track record and approach, you know, a really good understanding of the significance of somewhere like this and a really good understanding of what a good job is. You know, that's sounds easy, but actually it's quite a rare commodity.
On behalf of everybody at Chandler's Roofing Supplies, sponsors of the lead roofing category, I'm very pleased to present Full Metal Jacket with the UK 2020 Roofing Award for lead roofing.
On behalf of everyone at Full Metal Jacket, thank you very much, and we're very honoured to receive this award.
Chandler's are a roofing merchant who have traditionally worked with specialist contractors on such projects as Canterbury Cathedral, so this lead award is close to our heart as a business.
"13 flat roofs, 8 roof levels, and 0 disruption to student learning." Originally opened in 1964 and extended in 1985, Reading University's library has undergone a complete refurbishment to meet the needs of ever-changing technologies. The award for single-ply roofing goes to Alsworth Roofing.
I'd like to thank the NFRC for this award for Best Single Ply Roof. Everyone at Ellsworth Roofing is extremely proud to have been recognised by the industry. At one time or another, all our employees worked on this project, so I'd like to thank them all.
Congratulations go to Briggs & Mascow for the Bituminous Hot Applied Liquid Waterproofing Award. Briggs & Mascow were responsible for the installation of waterproofing and finishes to roof areas totalling 3,500 square metres at a new sports and science facility for Brighton College. The workmanship on this project was underpinned throughout by a superb collaborative working relationship between Briggs & Mascow, the supplier and architect. This building, used as a water testing site by Southern Water, is covered by a concrete roof that includes a striking and unique domed glazing block feature. With the existing asphalt covering and concrete glazing features reaching the end of their serviceable lifespan, Williams Roofing, working with Polyroof, provided a solution that far exceeded the client's expectations.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the National Federation of Roofing Contractors for this award. It means an awful lot to everybody at Williams Roofing and all my colleagues who were directly involved with the project.
Congratulations to Sussex Asphalt, who take a well-deserved award for the mastic asphalt category. This exclusive private residence had numerous penetrations, chimneys, railings and lights situated all over the roof.
Many thanks to the NFRC for this award. It means a lot to us at Sussex Asphalt to be recognised by our peers in the roofing industry.
DM Roofing and George Brolly & Co are incredibly worthy winners of this award. The Eye Centre is a great example of RBM work. You can see the building has a complex shape, but this has been carried out to a really high standard, which I'm sure you'll agree creates a great aesthetic. The UK Roofing Awards are a great way to reward high quality workmanship and excellent standards of material installation. It's a great example of modern bituminous membranes being used on a historic building to fantastic effect.
Pangolin, the dream home of first-time self-builder Lynn Pratt, featured on Kevin MacLeod's Channel 4 Grand Designs as one of the several self-build projects with bold and cutting-edge architectural designs.
Huge congratulations, Nigel, for winning the Best Small-Scale Project of the UK Roofing Awards.
Thank you very much, Donna. It's a great privilege to win this award from the NFRC. I'd like to say thank you to all my lads that were involved in it. A big thank you to Dreadnought Roof Tiles and Dave Shelley for getting us involved in such a nice project. Thank you.
St Wilfrid's Hospice is an independent local charity in Hampshire that has existed for more than 30 years. The scheme was designed to resemble a farm with contemporary linked buildings. The award for multidiscipline project goes to Malone Roofing for a unique and contemporary example of new meeting old.
We at Malone Roofing are extremely proud to receive this award. It is industry recognition for all the hard work and dedication that our staff and on-site engineers produced to deliver this fantastic project. I'd like to take a moment and pay tribute to our founder, Mick Malone, who sadly passed away earlier this year. As a family-run business, his dedication and hard work has built the company to what it is today.
The Industry Choice Award, sponsored by Radmat, is a fantastic opportunity for the industry to have their say. All projects shortlisted for a UK Roofing Award are put on an online vote where the public decides which is their favourite project. The 2020 Industry Choice Award is presented to Longworth Building Services for a fantastic state-of-the-art student accommodation block in Coventry.
Many thanks to Radmat for this award, and I'm very proud to receive it on behalf of Longworth Building Services, the Industry Choice Award. What makes this award even more special is the fact that it's voted for by our peers within the industry.
As a college, we're extremely proud and we're very pleased for Nigel and his team as well. I think it's a real honour to work with Nigel. They're a quality company, and as this project moved along, we felt very comfortable that we're going to be in with a chance of something. And we were very, very pleased to win the Heritage Award, and then to win the overall award, was, again, it was very, very satisfying. But I think also it's such a wonderful story, and I think it's deserving of such an award.
On behalf of SIG Roofing, I'm delighted to award you, Nigel, Roof of the Year 2020. The job at Cambridge, an absolutely fantastic job. Workmanship second to none, a job you should be proud of. Well done.
Thank you very much for your kind words. I would like to thank SIG and NFRC for receiving this prestigious award, the Roof of the Year Award. It means so much to our business, of which we are extremely proud. We are surprised and delighted. Thank you very much.
Well, I'm sure that you will all agree what a fantastic range of 2020 winning projects. Congratulations again to all the winning contractors for the exceptional workmanship presented across the different disciplines.